Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gaurishankar, going to teach you SYIT Sem 3 Applied Mathematics, third chapter of Differential Equation. Introduction. Differential equation of first order of higher degree we are going to see. Differential equation of the first order but higher degree can be solved by one or more of the four methods following. Equation solvable for P. Equation solvable for X. Equation solvable for Y. Clairaut's equation. These are the four types. In this video, we are going to see first two types. Equation solvable for P. We want to remember the condition and procedure how to solve it. We first make the question in the form of f of xy p equal to 0. Substituting p equal to dy by dx, we will get the equations. After solving the constants, we will get the equation of the answer. Equation solvable for p as the solution without the term p. First problem. Solve p square plus p into x plus y plus xy equal to 0. In this equation, you can note that p, x, y are the variables. We are choosing here to solve using solvable by p. So, final answer will be the terms having only x and y. So, this is the p with quadratic degree 2, that is quadratic equation in p. So, solving by quadratic equation, we are getting two factors p plus x equal to 0, p plus y equal to 0. Considering p plus x equal to 0, substituting p equal to dy by dx, we are getting dy by dx plus x equal to 0. As separable method, we are gathering y one side and x one side and integrating, we are getting answer y equal to minus x square upon 2 plus c1. So, considering now rearranging this, we are getting x square plus 2y minus c equal to 0 if we are substituting c equal to 2c1. Considering second equation, p second factor p plus y equal to 0, substituting dy by dx for p and rearranging as per separable method, we are getting dy by y equal to minus dx. Integrating both sides, we are getting log y plus x minus c1 equal to 0. Combining these two answer, we are getting complete general solution as x square plus 2y minus c log y plus x minus c equal to 0. Second problem, solve xy p square plus x square plus y square into p plus xy equal to 0. Again, here we are having the variables x, y, p. So, grouping as the degree of the p is 2, using again quadratic equation method, we are having two factors px plus y, py plus x. Considering px plus y equal to 0, substituting p equal to dy by dx, using separable method, gathering y one side and x one side, integrating, we are getting the result log x plus log y equal to log c. Using logarithm property, log of xy equal to log c, we are getting cancelling log both sides xy equal to c. The second factor py plus x equal to 0 we are considering and substituting p equal to dy by dx. Gathering y and x term and integrating, we are getting x square plus y square equal to c. After taking LCM, we are getting 2c1 is the constant. Substituting c equal to 2c1, we are getting the answer is x square plus y square equal to c. Combining these two solution, we are getting the general solution of the problem x square plus y square minus c into xy minus c equal to 0. Now the second method, equation solvable for x. Let the equation be x equal to f of y comma p. Students, you want to see in solvable for x, we are having f of x, y, p equal to 0. Here x equal to f of y comma p. After that we want to differentiate it and omitting or substituting the value of constant, we will get the final solution in terms of y and p. We will see some problem. Solve y equal to 2px minus p cube y square, and taking x one side, here only one x is there in the question, so we can solve using solvable by x. X equal to y by 2p plus p square y square by 2. Differentiating with respect to y, dx by dy equal to 1 by p, because p equal to dy by dx. Right hand side answer is 1 by 2 using division rule, 1 by p minus y upon p square dp by dy plus 2p dp by dy y square upon 2 plus 2 into p square y by 2. Solving and rearranging this, we are getting dp by dy into y equal to minus p. That is dp by p plus dy by y equal to 0. Integrating both sides, we are getting log p plus log y equal to log c. Again using logarithm property, py equal to c. Eliminating from this equation means substituting the value of c equal to py in the given equation, p equal to c upon y in the given equation, we are getting y equal to 2c upon y x minus c cube upon y cube into y square. Final answer after rearranging is y square minus equal to 2cx minus c cube. So we are getting the result eliminating p. This is the general solution. Next problem, solve p square y plus 2px plus y equal to 0. Again we are having only one x here. So we are taking x equal to y by 2p minus py by 2. Differentiating both sides, we are and grouping together, we are getting the result p upon 2y equal to minus 1 by 2 dp by dy. Using separable method, combining y term one side and p term another side and integrating, we are getting log y plus log p equal to log c. Again using logarithm property, we are getting py equal to c. Putting value of p in the equation, we are getting the general solution as x equal to y square by 2c minus c by 2. Thank you, students.